Hey everybody, welcome to the basement. It's been a little bit since I've been on. Been kind of busy. Son had baseball season and all that, so yeah. But I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. Just an eBay purchase. I'm not familiar with the buyer. He's not somebody I bought from before, but did not ask him if I could do an unboxing, so I will not say his name. But some spokeshaves I bought, got them for a fairly decent price. So, and we're gonna see what we got here. Can't remember what condition they were in or anything like that. But interesting. Here's a neat little convex spoke shave. No name on them. Never seen one of these before. If anybody wants to help me out with it, feel free. And that's number one. Number two here. It's a no name. Interesting bit of adding here. Looks like somebody just lost the faceplate and just put a wash on that. But I will be contacting probably MJ to get something. No name on the blade. Kind of looks like a 53 style, maybe. I'm not real big on styles yet. What do we got here? Here's a Stanley 54. Pretty rough shape. These are all going to be fixer-uppers. Lost my sandal. I'm not sure what we got for a. Not sure what we got for the trademark on that. Let's see what we got. Before we go too far. Get a little parts cup. See if we can get this bad boy out of here. There we go. It's in there backwards. Not sure if I have a wire brush or not. Can't find my wire brush. I'll have a look at that. It looks like a 151. Just the sole part of it. That's okay. We can contact MJ for some parts. Get that fixed up. See if we can get these turned around. Let me bring you in close here for this little thing here. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe I can message Chester and he can give me a clue on what it is, or anybody that's big on spokeshaves, give me a shout out. I'll put some pictures up with the post too. Let's see what we got. But, all right, ladies and gents, boys and girls, lovers of all ages. I'm gonna check out here and see you on the other side, the other flip side here. Remember, I don't care, left, right, black, blue, yellow, purple, green, white, whatever. Be kind to each other. That's all we really got. So, be kind, help somebody out, give somebody a smile. That's it for me. I will talk to you later. Gonna do some checking up on this spoke shave. This is a odd duck. So, all right, talk to you later, folks. Bye now.